Hello everybody, Min here. Welcome back to Heroes Fitness. We're going to go over my other favorite kick. It's the calf kick. This kick is pretty revolutionary right now. You're seeing it all over combat sports, especially in the striking ones. And it's very, very popular in MMA right now. But you're starting to see it in K1. You're seeing it in Muay Thai again. It's having a resurgence. With the calf kick, it's super nice because you don't need much flexibility. All you need is timing and placement, really. First things first, you want to make sure you can get behind the target. Usually, with most round kicks, we go to the left to throw it right. For the calf kick, I'm actually going to go the other way. I'm going to take a little side step to cut an angle so I can get behind my target. Okay, so I'm going to face come over here. I step off for the angle so I can get behind the opponent's calf. If you kick straight on, you're going to land on their knee and their shin. That's going to hurt you a lot. You want to get over to the soft spot. So I cut this angle over here. And I'm going to basically slide my leg, and at the last second, I just pop my hips, like so. I step off, slide, cut, just like that. Step off, slide, cut, just like that. There's a few ways we can land this one. I like throwing it with the inside of my instep and a little bit of the inside of my ankles on my target. This is a bit more karate-like, and I use this more as a probe. So I'll step off, and I'll just touch. Step off, and then I'll just touch. And even though I'm not throwing a lot of power into it, just because you have the speed and the whip of the hips, you can deal a lot of damage with this. This is really, really good if you are far away and you get space to cut the angle. But a lot of times when you're striking, you'll be in the pocket exchanging. From here, we're actually going to go really, really, really close. If you know Justin Gagey, he's very famous for this, where you'll be in the pocket with him, and he just whips a calf kick on you. With this one, you're going to land a lot higher up on your shin, which is a lot denser and a lot stronger. And I'm going to try to slam like this with my leg, bah, like so. Okay? So it's not going to be nice and long anymore. I'm just going to drop my hips down on it. So we're here, we're in the pocket, bah, like that. Full shin contact, ideally. Sha! 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 Just like so. So we got two versions. One nice and far, one nice and close. Both very, very effective. Try it out. Make sure to also go slow at first. I find with the calf kick, you need to practice your placement more than the power. It's very easy to get a lot of power on your calf kick, but it's super hard to place it correctly. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you next time.